intensity ng earthquake para yung design criteria maipirmis. Kung 0.7 G ba, 0.8 G, kung ilan ang kailangan.
And initially, gaano kaluwang yung land area na kakailangan?
Hindi pa alam depende sa total capacity na itatayo. If I remember correctly, the first 1,000 is 200 hectares, and then 40 hectares for every 1,000 thereafter. So, ganun.
Kung yung gagawin ng public hearing, isa po yun sa mga steps para...
No, it's not a public hearing. This is a stand-up for nuclear event, which is a worldwide event like Earth Day, but for pro-nuclear people. Right? So, buong mundo sa malalaking